Welcome to the Stakeholder Symphony, where project success depends on how well you conduct your orchestra of stakeholders. Let's learn to engage based on influence and interest. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who can affect or be affected by your project. They might be decision makers, team members, end users, regulators, or community members. Meet your most powerful tool for stakeholder analysis, the Influence Interest Matrix. This simple grid helps you categorize stakeholders based on their influence and interest. These are your key players, VIPs who care deeply and have substantial power. Think executive sponsors or major clients. Keep them informed and highlight how your project aligns with their priorities. Provide concise information focused on what matters to them. These are your keep-informed stakeholders, those deeply interested but less powerful. They are your end users or affected departments. Provide detailed information relevant to them and show how their input is being used. Keep communication channels open as they can offer valuable insights. These are your monitor stakeholders, those with limited interest and influence. They still matter but require less intensive engagement. Regularly reassess your stakeholder map as interests and influence can shift. Adjust engagement approaches accordingly.